Ang tagal magsalita eh. Ayan na si Pastor na. Backup! Wala nang video. Hindi mag-delete ka kung pwede ka mag-delete. Pastor, baka matuluan. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat. Nandito kayo. Talagang pati na kayo ng puso namin, pamilya namin. And I'm so happy na napasaya niyo yung aming mga anak through your company because you are always there. Thank you for being their spiritual dad and godly brothers and sisters. I just want to say na kung hindi kayo mag-encourage kayo sa bawat isa. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, kung kayo ang madadala, kailangan kayo ang magdala sa kanila kay Lord. So I just pray na yung moments nyo na magkakasama kayo, just make it a point na it's always glorifying to the Lord. Since sabi mo nga na you love the Lord and alam kita kung paano siya umiyak nung he was really sorry. I remember one time we were praying together, he was really crying. Sabi ko, I think he really encountered God. So, nandiyan na si Lord sa puso mo. Huwag mo na siyang kumbaga, just be strong. I-keep mo yung faith mo kasi I know na God has really a big something in store for you. Ang prophecy ko dito, ang nabivision ko dito parang Chris Tomlin. Kaya minsan pag kumakanta siya ng mga secular songs, sabi ko, point A to B, you're going back to A. Sabi nga ni Mike, sabi ko, ayan na naman, hindi ka na naman nagpupunta sa C, you're going back to A. Ako, nakukulitan daw kasi parang naging. Sabi ko, what can I do? When the Lord will come back, He will ask me, Veron, what did you do to your stepkids or what did you do to your kids? I am accountable, sabi ko. Dinala ko sa family na to, para ganyan. But anyway, I'm so glad and I'm so blessed kasi nakilala ko si Pao. Siya yung nagpapakulay sa buhay namin kasi makulit siya. Pero sobrang lambing.